Hombre, see if you got the fish first. I would have got that. All right, go. Give me, pull it down. Just keep reeling. All right. Team got one running, supporting right here. My wife Viviana. She's got a good hit. What was yours? Worm and fish bites of what? Crawfish fish bites. All right. She just got a good hit, and she's hooked up. Got one running on the 4,000 BG or 5,000 BG. I'm sorry, by Daiwa, and that ProAngler 10 foot. Oh, it's a cute little one, but man, it fought. That was a good one. Yeah, buddy, look, that's probably like a 18 and some change. Yeah, buddy. Bam. Pick it up. Remember, release some of that slack. Pull the bail. Pull the bail. And then pull. Lift it up and put it on there. It'll be all right. Close it. There you go. Leave some slack. Cool. Bam. Her and her red leaders from Bull Red Leaders, and she loves the color red for hooks, and now she loves those leaders. Awesome thingies, man. Sweet. Oh, is she gonna do it on her own? Is she gonna do it? Remember, it's just a circle. Just reverse it. All right, let me go. I didn't bring my phone. All right, guys, hold up. Ooh, I didn't bring my phone, which there's an app I like to use that does the measuring for you. And if need be, there's always a ruler. Look at that, my little plain old box. Yeah. With the old handy dandy little hyper tough 12-foot measuring tape. Let's see what we get. On the crawfish one? Mm-hmm. I'll take that. Put it at the tip of the nose.
Okay.
And ooh, 19er. Look at that. Oh, wrong one. 19. 1 inch shy of a keeper, hun. Now we take a quick little picture. Dang, nice one, hun. Good job. Sweet. And let it go for Tony, because Tony will get angry. Yep. What's up, buddy, Tony? Team got one running, heading out.